What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Brendan. So I just sold a pair of New Balance shoes. They were 900 series, gray, size 11, $120, totally authentic, or so I thought. eBay has sent them back to me because the authenticity was rejected. I'm gonna show you that pair of shoes, but before we do any of that, let's go do what we do best and head up to the thrift stores. Let's get shopping. You're not gonna wanna miss this plush I found. Somebody really hates the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Take a look at this poster. Oh, they marked down $1.99. Get this out of the store. That was funny. I love when I find something for the first time. Right? This is going to be brand new to me, and if you knew, congrats, because these are, when you look up the prices of just even the brand new ones, $150 or so. So Spy Discord sunglasses, and I'm looking on the other side, and it says Afterglow. I researched these really quickly in store and I couldn't find anything under Afterglow, but certainly Spy and Discord, these are I feel like these are going to be, you know, depending on, they're a little bit scratched up on the front here, but I think I can get away with that just looking through them. It doesn't sort of obscure the vision or the field of the line of sight, the field of sight. So I think we're in good shape, even though there's a couple of scratches on the exterior. They don't look too bad. Probably nothing that I can't overcome. I might be able to get $40 to $50 for these. These almost look brand new. Like, I'm looking inside, I see the sticker still attached on both insoles. Pair of Noble trainers. These are like marketed to men and women. They look like they were worn, but maybe one time. I mean, these are super clean. I'm gonna say, oh yeah, there's a little mark on there, so we'll have to throw them in the wash really quick, see if I can get that out. Even still, based on this condition, I still think I can get $60 to $70 for these ones. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely throw them in the wash to see if I can get that mark out. And even if I can't, the soles are in such good condition. This is definitely like 1 or 2 uses, and that's it. Let's just say $70 for that and see if you can spot anything else here that might be worth grabbing. I don't know. I've basically completely given up on all birds. There are some that will sell from time to time, but I'm leaving those behind. Sure thing. Red Wings here, these steel toe. Yes. I wonder if this should be a pickup. I don't usually grab these. I don't know. Is that too much wear on the sole? It might be for me, especially with a brand that I don't sell a ton of, so leave those behind. Up here, definitely grabbing more duck boots these days, but I think I'm gonna pass on this one as well. I've got a couple of LL Beans, both size 14 that I just listed, that I expect to sell here in the next 30 days, so those were pretty good. What else we got here? I don't see anything else. I might take a stab on this one too. I like Rule 925, obviously way no longer being made or produced, companies no longer in business, but this is a snap button shirt, and you know what, it's kind of festive in color. I mean, we have red, but we also have blue in it. I think I might grab this. I'm talking maybe at the most $25, probably between 20 and 25, but isn't an XL. It is an XL. I think it will photograph well on my back deck, so maybe I'll get lucky in the next month or two and I'll be able to move this, but let's just call that between $20 and $25. See what else we've got hanging on the racks here. Banana Republic, this is definitely nothing that I'm interested in. Classic polo. So every now and then I'll go through this rack by rack or piece by piece just to make sure that I haven't missed anything that comes out on the regular racks, which I look at quite often. So every now and then, I can't be here every minute, so you got to go through the racks, make sure you don't miss anything. Doesn't look like there's anything else here in the XLs, just based on what I'm looking for, but I might grab that 925 and let's call it $25. Maybe I'll get lucky. A couple of records that caught my eye. AC/DC Back in Black, fortunately, and I think that I'm not an expert on records by a long shot, but this looks like, I don't know if I'm getting this on camera, there are so many scratches on both sides here. I don't think this is playable. I mean, I don't know if this is like good plus, good condition. I mean, there's so many different conditions, very good, near mint. This just doesn't look like it's something that I should take the risk on. It's autographed to Missy, is it Missy Carr, Missy Gar? I don't know, I looked that up, couldn't find anything on her. Well, maybe that increases the value if she's famous or popular or known. I don't really know. I'm gonna put this guy right back where I got it. And then I thought maybe Billy Joel's Street Life Serenade would have some value. This does not have any value. Look at how young he looks in that picture of him. So we're gonna leave these two behind. Got a whole bag of Eero. I think these are Wi-Fi routers. And I'm pretty sure, let me look at the model number on the back of this. A010001. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna assume these all work. There's 5 in here, and it looks like there's a bunch of plugs as well. So I think pairing these up, I have to put the accurate comps on the screen. I might sell these in lots of 2 for maybe $25, which puts this whole bag at about 60. If there's 5 in here, what's the price they want? Where's the sticker at? How much are they asking for this? Oh, right there, $14. You know what? Even if I get 60, that is definitely worth it. So let's roll with those. What are these? AirNet, Ethernet switches. I don't know, maybe I'll scan those. Those don't look like much, but you never know. We got a calculator right here. What are we working with? TI-86 that has seen better days. We're gonna leave that behind. What else we hide in here? These phones, some of these are worth checking out. You guys are getting lazy, Brendan, today, so I'm not gonna do a ton of scanning. Sorry, or looking up after the fact. This could be something to check out too. I don't know, I'm looking for something that's a little bit more obvious here. And with all of the testing that I would probably have to do for all these electronics, I don't think electronics is the section I should be in today. Sing make noise, I'm afraid to, no, we're gonna, no, okay. Light of some sort. This thing's been sitting here for a couple of weeks. This needs to go to the bins. I don't think anyone's gonna pick it up, doesn't have any value, and I am not picking up any lamps today unless there's something blatantly obvious, or maybe there is a lava lamp. There have been a couple that have come through recently, but I passed on them. It's like the base of one here. All right, let's get out of here. This might be my favorite find in a while here. First Pusheen. I was actually looking for maybe a gift for one of the girls, but I'm gonna resell this thing. So they want $6 for it. This is Burger Pusheen, but it looks like it's a collaboration with It's Sugar. There's, I don't know if that's national or not, but there's a It's Sugar candy store at a mall here. I'll put a picture up on the screen for you. And this is a collab with them. Burger Pusheen. It looks like the last one sold for $85 with free shipping. And then they sell regularly in the $75 range with, you know, people that charge shipping. I love this. For $6, this is definitely a pickup here. I also love Yoshi. Didn't look him up, he's cute. But this could, I don't know, maybe I'll do what I'm supposed to do here and look him up as well. What do they want for it? They want $7 for this. I thought I saw the UPC code. Maybe not. I may or may not look this guy up. He's cute anyway. All right, it's been a while since I picked up Beyblades. I think probably over a year, but I cheated a little bit. Which one did I look up? I looked up, was either this one. I think this one sells regularly for $20, these little metal Beyblades. I tried looking this one up as well. I don't know, maybe it sells for $15 to $20, but I mean, shoot, if they're all 10 to 15, I've got a good amount here. These are the like little cases that they shoot out of. Beyblades, what do they want? They only want $7 for it. I might take this here and just do a little bit of homework on each one of these, because again, I mean, I feel like even just selling the one, I will be in the profit. So maybe I'll get lucky and there's like a really rare Beyblade in here. I'm not 100% sure, but it's been a minute, so I'm gonna grab it. I should probably come over to the book section more often. So we have 3 Stephen King books here, and this is gonna be a first for me for all 3 of these. Drawing of the 3, The Dark Tower 2. I will put comps on the screen for that one. This one looks like the, I guess, least profitable of the 3, although it does say that, I think this was a, where did I find that? Let's take a look here. First trade edition. I don't know if you can see that right now. 2003. I think this might be worth $30, this one here. And then the final book here, Wizard and Glass, The Dark Tower 4. UPC code right there. This one looks like it is also a really valuable Stephen King book. So we have 2, and then even at $30, I think these are gonna cost me like $1.99, which is a steal for books like this. But yeah, these were wonderful finds. This is just a fair warning for those of you that might send in a pair of shoes to eBay's authentication program. If they can't read the tag completely, they're going to get rejected. This pair of shoes was sent back because they couldn't verify the authenticity. And the reason was they couldn't read the tag. I'm gonna tell you what, this company just cannot get out of their own way. These shoes are 100% authentic. They are not copies, but I got them back, and this is a little tag they put on it because the person couldn't read the tag. They're a size 11. The width is D right there, but I got them back. They sold for $120, but did not pass the authentication process. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know how this works. I mean, that to me, that's going a little bit deep. I think it's kind of ridiculous. So these are gonna have to go on Poshmark, or, you know, I could try to waste my time on Marketplace. I generally don't like selling on either of those platforms, to be totally honest with you, but to Poshmark they go, because I don't think I'm gonna have to deal with the issues that I will have to deal with. Knowing now that yeah, if they can't read the tag with 100% certainty, you'll get the shoes back. From one entity that cannot get it right to the other, and that is Congress. Would you guys figure out daylight savings? It's 5 o'clock. It's already dark. I feel like it's bedtime and there's still plenty of night left. I understand I'm rambling, but it is what it is. So anyway, thanks so much for tuning in. Maybe I'll head up to the thrift stores and we'll do some like nighttime thrifting here, and I'll throw one of those videos in here in the near future. Maybe. We'll see. I don't know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.